Binomial theorem. An expression consisting of two terms connected by plus or minus sign is called a binomial expression. For example, 2x minus 3y. Binomial theorem. If a and b are real numbers and n is a positive integer, then a plus b whole to the power n equal to nc0 a to the power n plus nc1 a to the power n minus 1 into b plus nc2 a to n minus 2 into b square plus dotted plus ncr a to the n minus r b to the power r plus dotted plus ncn b to the power n, where ncr equal to n factorial divided r factorial into n minus r whole factorial for 0 less than equal to r less than equal to n. The general term or r plus 1th term in the expansion is given by tr plus 1 equal to ncr a to the n minus r b to the power r. It is the equation 1. The total number of terms in the binomial expansion of a plus b whole to the power n is n plus 1, that is 1 more than the exponent n. In the expansion, the first term is raised to the power of the binomial, and in each subsequent terms the power of a reduces by 1, whose simultaneous increase in the power of b by 1 till power of b becomes equal to the power of binomial, that is the power of a is n in the first term, n minus 1 in the second term, and so on, ending with 0 in the last term. At the same time, power of b is 0 in the first term, 1 in the second term, and 2 in the third term, and so on, ending with n in the last term. In any term, the sum of the indices or exponents of a and b is equal to n, that is power of the binomial. The coefficients in the expansion follow a certain pattern known as Pascal's triangle. Index of binomial 0, coefficient of various terms is 1. Index is 1, coefficient is 1, 1. Index 2, coefficient 1, 2, 1. Index 3, coefficient 1, 3, 3, 1. Coefficient 4, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 is the coefficient. Index 5, coefficient 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Each coefficient of any row is obtained by adding two coefficients in the preceding row, one on the immediate left and the other on the immediate right, and each row is bounded by 1 on both sides. R plus 1th term or general term is tr plus 1. Replacing b by minus b in first equation, we get a minus b whole to the power n equal to nc0 a to the power n minus nc1 n minus a to the power n minus 1 b plus nc2 a to the n minus 2 b square plus dotted plus minus 1 whole to the power r ncr a to the n minus r into b to the power r plus dotted plus minus 1 whole to the power n ncn a to the power 0 b to the power n. Adding 1 and 2, we get a plus b whole to the power n plus a minus b whole to the power n equal to 2 whole bracket nc0 a to the power n plus nc2 a to n minus 2 b square plus nc4 a to the power n minus 4 b to the power 4 plus dotted equal to 2 whole into terms at odd places. Subtracting, we get a plus b whole to the power n minus a minus b whole to the power n equal to 2 whole bracket nc1 a to n minus 1 b plus nc3 a to n minus 3 b cube plus dotted equal to 2 whole bracket sum of terms at even places. Replacing 1 and x in a and b, we get 1 plus x whole to the power n equal to nc0 plus nc1x plus nc2x square plus dotted plus ncr x to the power r plus dotted plus ncn minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus ncn x to the power n equal to sigma r equal to 0 to n ncr x to the power r. Similarly, 1 minus x whole to the power n equal to nc0 minus nc1x plus nc2x square plus dotted nc n minus 1 minus 1 whole to the power n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus ncn minus 1 whole to the power n x to the power n equal to sigma r equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole to the power r ncr x to the power r. The pth term from the end in the expansion is n minus 2 plus 2th term from the beginning. Middle term depends on the value of n. If n is even, then total number of terms in the expansion a plus b whole to the power n is n plus 1. Odd. Hence, there is only one middle term, that is n by 2 plus 1th middle term. If n is odd, then total number of terms in the expansion is n plus 1 even. So, there are two middle terms, that is n plus 1 by 2th and n plus 3 whole by 2th are two middle terms. Binomial coefficients are nc0, nc1, nc2 dotted ncn or combinatorial coefficients. Putting a equal to b equal to 1, we get nc0 plus nc1 plus nc2 plus dotted ncn equal to 2 to the power n. Thus, sum of all binomial coefficients is equal to 2 to the power n. Putting a equal to 1 and b equal to -1, we get nc0 minus nc1 plus nc2 minus nc3 plus dotted equal to 0. Similarly, nc0 plus nc2 plus nc4 plus dotted equal to nc1 plus nc3 plus nc5 plus dotted equal to 2 to the power n minus 1. The sum of all odd binomial coefficients is equal to the sum of all even binomial coefficients. Thank you.